Hey guys, it's about to be an eventful 24 hours. So I am on my way to go apply for some jobs at the Riviera and just go hang out around the Skyliner resorts and spend my evening there. And I'm just gonna take you with me. All right, guys, I got this little chocolate mousse thing. We're gonna dive into it. Look what it looks like. Oh my god, that was so good. 10 out of 10, honestly, 10 out of 10. Just like a little. Let's try this on top. I give this like a solid like 7 out of 10. We're doing great. All right, guys, we are gonna hop on the Skyliner and head to Art of Animation so you could just get a little change of scenery, you know?
Vlog on vlog action happening
Vlog.
here. So I just got off work.
Becca's here with us now. And I just ate in the food court and I just met my favorite Disney vloggers. And now we're at the Cozy Cone Motel, or the Wheel Well. And guys, there's lightning in front of this building. Ka-chow! They're playing Nemo. But where is he? Rafiki! It's the circle of Hakuna Matata. It means no worries. I'm editing this vlog right now and I realized I was terrible at vlogging. But we finished the night at Art of Animation, went home, had some dinner, and hung out. And then the next morning we drove to Cocoa Beach. So here are the clips from that. Hey guys, forgot to update you, but we're at the beach. We just found a crab. I'm gonna put the crab video in here. Tables Beach, and I found a mermaid. You see her? She's out there. We're going coconuts on the beach, guys. Road work ahead.
Yeah, I sure hope it does.
Wow. Guys, I'm gonna rate the weird signs that I see. Okay, ready?
Don't worry. Beach happy. Feeling beachy. I followed my heart and it led me to the beach. A broken watch keeps perfect beach time.
Tattoos. We drove back to Orlando. It is pouring rain. We're in McDonald's hiding from the rain. Wish us luck. If you're in the rain, good luck, Charlie. Fit check for the Clancy listing party.
Event exclusive CD, which comes with a 20-page booklet.
Greetings, fellow music lovers and listeners. This is Josh, and I just wanted to say thank you for coming to listen to our album, Clancy. We love this album. We're excited, and it means a lot of people come and check it out. I hope that you're with a friend or a family member. I know that a lot of times a first listen to an album can really shape how you feel about that album, and really hope this is a good experience for you. In my opinion, there are no skip tracks on Clancy, but after you listen through this, you'll have to let me know.
I will.
Anyway, enjoy.
I'll call you up.
Thank you again, and we will see you soon.
compliments. Your proctologist got both hands on your shoulder while you're
Clancy! Thank you guys again so much. Never mind,
They
guys.
taped up the windows. They've taped it off. Look at that. That was amazing.
Incredible.
Yeah. Okay, so getting to listen to Clancy was literally a religious experience. It was amazing. It was so good. I cannot wait for the album to come out on Friday. Definitely listen to it, but I had a great 24 hours. We did a lot. I'm very tired now. It's the next day. But I hope you enjoyed this video, and there will definitely be another vlog soon.